Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this very quick update on Bitcoin. I want to talk about what Bitcoin is doing, and yes, if you look on the EMAs, we kind of are looking at Bitcoin probably pushing up above the EMAs one more time, and it's trying to kind of climb up again and maintain this bull cross at the moment. But there's too much manipulation at the moment that I honestly don't even know what exactly the market is trying to do at the moment, right? Is it really trying to get another pull to the upside? I cannot say that, given that you still have this big bearish divergence. It's just so big for me to even say that, oh, it's just becoming unbelievable that you're going to move to the upside. That's the issue here. Another thing is Trendline is a bit tricky today, okay? This Trendline is quite tricky, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, it starts off with the wicks itself. So if I do bring it down like this, right, and at first it was something like that, where you saw Bitcoin touching this support, move down, fake out, and then move back up, right? It looks like that, and then the trend line eventually became more like this as well, all right, where you have Bitcoin probably just making it something like this. Okay, even this is almost valid. So the trend line down there is really manipulated. You can see that you had the touch, move up, you had the touch, move up, a touch, move up, a break to the downside. For some reason we thought it came down, it came up, it made some doji candles to probably get rejected and fall down to 36,000, and then you pushed higher. Now, is this an invalidation? Probably even not. Today I thought it may be an invalidation, but you know, I'm still struggling to find out what exactly is going on, because we may actually say the trend still also becomes like this as well, right? And this could also be valid. That also looks like at some point you had things climbing up like this, and then you broke down, and then you're still going back up, and this is still a retest nonetheless. So it's very hard to track what Bitcoin is trying to do. Maybe the ultimate answer is going to be if Bitcoin really makes it up to 46,626. Maybe that's when we can say that things are good. Maybe not. Not even 46 is going to be good. Actually, on the weekly, we need to get above one big resistance for Bitcoin here, and that's going to be that one right over there. So if you end up breaking above 46,886, that means if you take out 48,967, if Bitcoin is really bullish, come up here, take this out and retest a little bit, spend some time, and then we could be looking at further movement to the upside back to the all-time high eventually. So that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.